Number 1. Renault R16, 1969 year of issue. Solid car, good windshield and all glass. Front and rear bumpers, steering complete. Dash intact, good doors. Braking system intact. This is a good donor car for someone who already has an R16 and would like to have a parts source. R16 parts are almost impossible to find. Number 2. Ford Dr Sedan, 1957 year of issue. Has the original 6-cylinder engine. Was told by the previous owner that he had it turned over last summer. The fan felt is broke, so we put a socket on it and tried turning it over. It won't turn over. That's all we've done with the car. It has been the same family since new. It still has the original seat plastics on it. Needs floor pan repair, some rust on the rockers and quarters. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 3. Austin FX 30, 1957 year of issue. Interior: a bomber-style saddle brown leather bucket sits with a banjo-styled large steering wheel. This wheel fronts an original metal dash in brown which supports patina gauges and knobs and pulls and a few warning lights. No carpeting on the floors in front, and in the rear a thin mat is in. Drivetrain: a 2.2-liter diesel 4-cylinder engine powers this shuttle, and a 4-speed manual transmission is on back. Currently this car is not running, however has a rebuilt injection pump. And does not run because it does not have all the essential parts assembled under the hood. Number 4. BMW Bavaria, 1974 year of issue. Complete engine and transmission overhaul, also steering, brakes, suspension, exhaust. Needs body and paint. Worst rust is on the trunk lid, shown. Needs front right fender trim, have right side trim, bumper defender rubber guard, new trunk rubber. New trunk emblems, Bavaria, automatic. New sunroof crank, understeering column trim. Number 5. Dodge Magnum, 1979 year of issue. (1979) Dodge Magnum GT has the original 318 V8. Motor turns over by hand. We have not tried starting it. Body has some rust. Interior is okay. Frame is okay. Clean title. Asking $2,500. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 6. Mercury Cougar. 1970 year of issue. This is an original 1970 M code 351-4 BBL Mercury Cougar. This Cougar can be restored into an awesome classic. The original numbers matching engine comes with the car. And can be rebuilt with all the Go Fast aftermarket options available. This Cougar will need rust, body repair in the normal areas, but the frame is straight and the quarters are in decent condition. Overall, not that much is needed to get this Cougar body ready to paint. Number 7. Dodge D200. 1972 year of issue, 1972. Dodge D200 3/4. Ton 2 WD pickup. Has the 318 V8. Motor is most likely stuck. We have not tried starting it. Body has rust. Floors are gone. Truck is 99% complete. No title. Asking $2,000. Located in Thief River Falls, Minnesota. Number 8. Chrysler Windsor. 1956 year of issue. (1956) Chrysler Windsor 4 Dr Sedan. What you see is what you get. Drivetrain is missing. Would be an excellent candidate for a patina rod. Hemi. Body is super straight. Floors are not bad at all.